Actually, the sole purpose of this competition is to give confidence to the students of Rahim Khan. Means they have not studied from LUMS, they are not the students of IVA, not of any university from Lahore, anywhere. They are all from Rahim Khan, so they need special appreciation from all of you. So, since inception, people have got different thoughts, different philosophies are being presented. That what is the purpose of life? Even I don't know what is the purpose of life. But one thing is for sure, that all of us, whoever came in this life, in this journey, they want to minimize the pains and maximize the pleasures. There's not only a single philosophy. I am living Maulvi. I also want to minimize my pains and maximize my pleasures. Everybody, whoever comes in this life, he after a few days, after a few years, after a few months, he makes his philosophy how to minimize the pains of my life and how to maximize our pleasure. And the purpose of teachers and coaches and trainers the purpose is whatever the handle is or tackle is, how to shift them the pains and not let them fear or not let them feel that they are suffering from pains just to enjoy maximum pleasures. आपको जो आप तकालीफ देते हैं इसका मकसद ये होता है कि आप कल को ना बड़े प्लेजर्स एंजॉय कर पाए. And it was my sole purpose, or whenever I come here, it's 35th competition in Rahim Khan in last 17 years. My purpose is just to push the students in little trouble. ये मेरी नीयत ये होती है कि आप पे प्रेशर डाला जाए. ओके, उसके लिए इतना खर्चे किए जाते हैं, बार बार हॉल में बुलाया जाता है ताकि बच्चे अपनी औकात से बड़ी चिनांग मारें. And let me tell a little bit to our judges and respectable chief guests and remaining guests. It's a kind of declamation. In declamation, people are allowed to raise their voice. Okay, sometimes I just want to say my students को बहुत कहा बेटा टोन डाउन करो. स्पीच में बहुत ज्यादा एग्रेशन है, इसे टोन डाउन करो. लोग नहीं गया तो मैं इनको सेव करने आ गया. Declamation gives you the permission that you can raise your voice. Means on many occasions you will find students will be shouting a little bit. The judges in 21st century they are saying this thing, so I'm against this. Okay, so आपको थोड़ा बहुत ये नहीं, it's not against of anyone. लेकिन हल्की सी ना there is a permission to the students कि मेरे बेटा खुल के आ जाओ सामने, कोई मसला नहीं. And just to mount pressure, जितना pressure डालेंगे उतना इनके लिए आइंदा के लिए फायदा है. Okay, it's my purpose. So I would like to say welcome to our judges. Our chief judge is Bilal Qamar, Mohammed Bilal Qamar. He is engineer in OGTCL and having a lot of experience to judge the students. And I think his judgment will be above board. Means you cannot raise fingers. Whenever in 35 competition, I'm saying from the soul of my heart, whatever the result comes, I'm never satisfied. मेरा अपना तजुर्बा है, मुझे पता है कौन फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड या व्हाटएवर, मैं अपने हिसाब से देखता हूँ. मींस शायद आपका भी जजमेंट कुछ और हो कि यार ये फर्स्ट है, ये सेकंड है, ये थर्ड है. बट whatever they adjudge, if you have got objection, do tell us now. Okay, I tried my best to call the people who are just impartial, who are not going to anybody's pocket, and means I am also sure that our judges will not be partial of any team. This is natural tendency of all the people. They are always inclined towards hard work.
Hello.
आपको मैं बताऊं, एक मैं जज साहब को कहा कि आप आके हमारे ना फंक्शन की जजमेंट कर दें. उन्होंने कहा सर मैं तो हार्ड वर्क की फेवर करूंगा. मैं कहा आप हार्ड वर्क की फेवर ना करें, आप बच्चों की मेहनत देखें कि जहां से अच्छा बोलें उसकी आप फेवर करें, ना कि ऑलरेडी ना यू मे डिसाइडेड. So there's always natural tendency people go towards hard work. After all, सबने hard work किया है. The luck will decide. But after all, let's see who are the best speakers. Our second judge is Mr. Mohammed Wasim, and what I know, he's also I think quite impartial, and we have got full confidence that he will just see the things and to the best of his honesty. And the third is he is also full of integration and honesty, Mr. Rana Zalah. And I want to say welcome to our chief guest, Dr. Imran Bashir, Deputy Medical Superintendent of Sindh Hospital. इनकी सबसे लगती अच्छी बात यह है, चीफ गेस्ट ना मेरी जेब में पड़ा है. जब जो बुला लो डॉक्टर साहब आ जाए, इतना पसंद करते हैं ये पब्लिक स्पीकिंग या ऐसे लोगों को आगे बढ़ना. मीन्स ही ऑलवेज एनकरेज्ड. Whatever piece of work is, he always leaves and comes over here. So there should be a great round of applause for him. So Mr. Saif Saab, Rana Saif, and Mr. Abid, welcome to them, and also Qazi Usman Saab, principal the Division Public School, and Qazi Usman Saab. Then the man Sabah Umair, and Mr. Hamid Umair Saab. Yeah, but a friend indeed is a friend indeed. So I want to say there are two people who are friend indeed. That's my friend there. Ito, Bilal Taman Saab hai, Hamid Umair Saab, and Mr. Imran Arshad Saab. Means they're always with our back whenever we need them in any place. And I would like to say welcome to all the remaining people. I could not see due to the reflection of light. And thank you very much. I think now we should start.